Last issue, there's been criticism from the United Nations, from a group of experts, accusations of corruption, essentially accusations that one of your advisor, Musa Haji Mohammed Ganjab, is involved in some arms dealing with the Al-Shabaab. Very serious accusations against people around you, including you. What is your response to this? Because obviously the international community is watching very carefully how the money is being spent in Somalia. Well,
you're right. You said it's accusation.
They're not true?
And I do believe that the UN agencies are not there for accusing, but are there for improving the efficiency and the systems in place. The man you call it Musa, there is no someone called Musa who is my advisor and who have ever been an advising position in my office. So I would have liked the monitoring group to clarify where Musa Haji has ever become advisor to me. If he does something wrong, he does that on his own capacity. I have no someone in my record called Musa Haji who has ever been advisor to me in my presence of the last 2 years.
So you're saying the allegations that some people around you have diverted weapons to Al-Shabaab or diverted money are wrong accusations?
It's not true.
It's not true?
Yes.
And you will prove it?
Yes.
Okay. Thank you very much, Mr. President, for answering all our questions here on France 24. Thank you for watching this edition of The Interview.
Thank you.